Welcome back to All More Fam, guys. Today we're gonna make the miracle ABC juice. You must be wondering what an ABC juice is. Let me tell you. It's a miracle drink for your skin and as well as your health. Let me show you how it's made. First, take an apple and cut it into small pieces. This ABC juice has innumerable benefits like it helps in anti-aging process, improves vision and strengthens eye muscles, also slows cancer inflammation. Apple is A in ABC. After cutting the apple into small pieces, keep it aside. Now take the C in juice, which is carrot, and peel the skin off. Drinking this juice on an empty stomach gives the best results. Also, this juice detoxifies our body. After peeling and chopping the carrot into small pieces, keep them aside. Now take the B in ABC, which is beetroot, my favorite ingredient. Peel its skin off and cut it into small pieces. This juice is a great digestive booster. This miracle drink also helps in losing healthy weight loss. It only takes 5 minutes to make this juice. Now that we have all the main ingredients ready, let's put them in the blender and blend them together. Add a spoon of lemon juice and some water. Adding a spoon of honey would sweeten the taste. Now blend until it turns into a smooth liquid. Now the miracle drink is ready to serve. Even the kids can drink this juice. You'll see a lot of changes in your body and skin by drinking this juice every day. I'll surely vouch for this juice. Do try this at your home and let us know about your experience. So this is it for today, guys. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to All More Fam. Thank you.